Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2003 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up. This engine has 114,683 miles on it. See, this engine starts right up. Oil pressure coming right up here. This is the 350 horsepower LS1 engine. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. Go ahead and rev it up here. This engine will make an excellent starting point for your hot rod or retro rod, or a great replacement for your Corvette. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.